Scratch has been updating things behind the scenes, and today we're going to cover all of them. So first off, let's start with the main page. At first glance, it looks normal, but when you scroll down, something feels off. It feels like something is missing. Well, that's because something is. The projects curated by Scratcher section is gone, completely wiped out. But this isn't actually a glitch, they removed it on purpose. But don't worry, it's coming back soon. Now let's jump into the next change. If we look at the top bar, we can see nothing has changed. But if we just take a peek at the Ideas tab, we can see it's completely different. Right at the bottom, you'll see new sections featuring Makey Makey, Microbit, and then over here we have some YouTube videos. Even have a tab for if your computer doesn't allow YouTube, which might be the case for some students. Now at my school, they don't even allow Scratch at all, which is pretty dumb. Now we also have this new project, which is looking for a project idea. Try Scratch's project idea generator. So let's take a look. As you can see, we have an embedded project, just like the ones in this video. But if we click on the Scratch icon, it just takes us back to the home page. So they didn't make the same mistake. So now let's test the project out. Generate idea. Create a restaurant management game about an embarrassed pencil that is rock climbing. This is the worst game idea I've ever seen in my life. Scratch team should be ashamed. Let's look at another one. Create an icon creator about a mushy boy that is making a wish. Whoever came up with these concepts was high, bro. Like, create choose your own adventure game of a thoughtful painter going on a hike. Finally, a normal game idea. Create a clicker game about a herd shoe that is fishing. Okay, bro, let's just look at another one. Let's go to create a project. And the first thing I do when I create a new project is delete the Scratch Cat, because he's useless. But as you can see, we have this new thing. It's called, are you sure you want to delete the sprite? You have to click yes or no. So I'm just going to click no. Then something else you might notice is the debug menu. So debugging, getting unstuck. When you open it, you'll see tips like break it down, slow it down, add sound checkpoints, and stuff like that. And finally, ask for help. So this might be useful for some beginner coders, but I don't think it's really game changing. Now for the most obscure change of them all, we have to go to the extension, and we have to choose text to speech. And if we look closely, we can see collaboration with Amazon Web Services. Now this will be important soon. So let's just set the voice to alto and speak hello.
Hello.
Now you might not notice anything weird, but the voices are actually different. Now this doesn't come from Scratch's end, but rather from Amazon's, since they're the ones who provide these voices. And yeah, that's it. Tell me which of these changes you like the most, and if you want to see more Scratch update videos, then click on all of these videos.